Most people think you replace your air conditioner when it stops working or when it breaks. That's actually the worst time you could possibly replace your air conditioner. Right now it's still cold out. Spring's coming. Well, I guess you could say spring's here. And right now, inventory is at an all-time high. Companies have brought in and filled their warehouses with stuff. You have a lot of selections, a lot of choices. But a lot of people still will wait till the last minute. And when you do that, inventory goes away. All of the crews are busy. You can't get anyone in a timely manner. You don't have time to shop. You don't have time to compare. When the air conditioning is not working and the house is too hot, you can't sleep. You can't work from your home office. Now you've got a bit of a dilemma. Someone in your family may be saying, you've got to get this air conditioning on, you've got to get it working. And now all of your leverage is gone. You don't have time to shop. You don't have time to compare the prices or even what's available. When you wait, the selection is so severely limited, and it happens every year because companies only bring in what they know they're going to be able to sell early enough in the season so that they don't have to carry it for the rest of the year. Right now, you have time. Take a little bit of time. You'll still be able to book it in, get it all done, get all the installation completed before you need to turn it on. Stay comfortable, but please, stay tuned.